Talia from Equipt. Today I'm just going to show you a few tips and tricks for using our trailers. So first things first, when you're attaching the trailer, make sure that you're crossing the lines. By crossing the lines, you're just providing that extra little bit of safety. Secondly, ensure that the electronics are connected. And before you drive away, make sure that the brakes and the indicators are working in conjunction with the car. When you are driving, make sure this little latch is off. That allows for the brakes to compress as you're driving. When you're backing, throw that back on and it'll provide that little bit of stability when you're backing. When you're unloading or you've got the trailer parked, best to put this handbrake on. Just like your car, it'll stop it from rolling away. Make sure this comes off when you're driving. If you haven't taken it off, a sure sign to know that you haven't is possibly the smoke and the flames coming out from the side of the trailer. Not ideal. Lastly, when you're going to take off, ensure the jockey wheel is up. There's nothing worse than hearing that big clunk and knowing that the jockey wheel has been left on the side of the road somewhere. Lastly, these trailers are really good because they have an automatic adjustment onto the tow ball system. So pull this up, make sure this is loose, and when you're putting that back down onto the trailer, it will automatically adjust. Majority of our trailers have this, but there are a few that have a slightly different mechanism, so I'll just show you those quickly. So these trailers, you need to know exactly what your tow ball is, and you're going to be flicking this onto the right side, so either 7/8 or it just lifts and turns over to the 50mm. Follow those little tips and tricks and you'll be getting from your destination to your destination safely.